Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Subidara. Recently I have started a new project, a physics engine in Python. I may write this in C++, but not now. So I use raylib for this project, and why I use raylib because Pygame is too hard to set up. Then I created these classes. The code is open source, by the way, on GitHub. The link will be in the description. And yeah, I will just show you how it works. Also, my voice is a little bit changed because I'm a little bit sick. But don't worry, in the next video you won't hear this type of voice. Yeah. So here you go. As you can see, it's a little bit laggy too because it's Python and yeah, it's slow. So yeah, you can always modify the code to change it or you want. You can, if you want the pre-existing code, you can change the speed of the balls and it will work on the lower speed. Like I did this 0.9 and this blue ball just bounce way faster now. So yeah, that's it for the video and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.